Unbounded limits. If a limit is indicated to be positive infinity or negative infinity, then it does not exist. These symbols are used only to indicate the direction of unboundedness. For number 1, case 1, positive infinity limits. As you see the graph, the x approaches a from the left. The function value approaching infinity. The second case, as x approaches a from the right, the function value approaching positive infinity. So the symbol limit f of x as x approaches a negative equals positive infinity can be represented by the graph on the left, and the limit f of x as x approaches a positive equals positive infinity can be represented by the graph on the right hand side. Second case, negative infinity limit. As x approaches a from the left, or x coming toward to the a as x less than a or slightly less than a, the function value is decreasing without bound or approaching to the value negative infinity. The second case, as x approaches a positive or x is slightly greater than a, the function value is decreasing without bound or the function value approaching negative infinity. So then the symbolic form, the limit f of x as x approaches a negative equals negative infinity can be represented by the left graph. And the limit f of x as x approaches a positive equals negative infinity can be represented by the graph on the right. Existence of a limit. The limit of the function f as x approaches a real number a exists if and only if the two-sided limit of the function equals L. No superscript either plus or minus sign that represent the two-sided limit. So that means the left-hand side and the right-hand side, the limit must be the same. For the number 2, if the left-sided limit not equal to the right-sided limit of the function, then the two-sided limit does not exist. And we can use the short term as DNE, which is from does not exist. For number 3, the limit of the function as x approaches a equals positive infinity or negative infinity, we can say that the two-sided limit of the f of x does not exist, or again, you can use the short term DNE.